In this video, I am going to explain how to do a report. Now, a report in databases terms is something that can be printed to produce a hard copy. So, for example, you can have a query and then you can create a report from it, or you can have a table and you can create a report. So, for example, consider this table teachers. Here we have the information about the teachers. Let's say we want to create a report to print the details of our teachers. So what we have to do is this. We go on create and I suggest you use the report wizard. From here, choose the attributes that you want to include in this report. I am going to choose all of them except the teacher ID, because I don't think that the teacher ID is important at this stage. I'm going to click on next. Here we can choose to do some grouping, and in this case I'm going to group the teacher by the employment type, so that first I will have, for example, the full-timers and then I will have the part-timers. Now here we can sort our data, and I am going to sort first by surname and then by name in ascending order. If you want to sort them in descending order, you just click on the button. Here we can choose the layout. I am going to leave the default layout and the orientation of the paper. I am going to choose landscape so that they will fit. Now I'm going to write the report, the title, so teachers report. Click on finish, and here we have our teachers report. Now, as you can see, these are grouped, but we have some problems. For example, the qualifications, they don't fit, and the heading here, for example, employment type, doesn't fit as well. So if I click on design view, okay, I can, for example, change the width of the mobile field so that then I can move these to make the qualifications field wider so that all the qualifications will fit. And with regards to employment type, we can, for example, do a space there, and maybe change the size of those fields and those fields. I am going to move these there and these two fields there, so I can increase a little bit the employment type so that it will be seen clearly. Here where we have equals now, that represents the date, and this is the page number. If I want to, for example, center the title teachers report, I can increase the width of this and, for example, center it from here. If I highlight this, I can do it bold, underline, italic. It's up to you to decide which formatting you would like to do. You can also change the themes from here and change the color scheme of your report. When you're done, click back on the normal view, and there we have the report. This type of report can be easily printed.